Hey, want to take a shortcut through space? Not by folding a piece of paper, by folding space itself. Meet the wormhole, a cosmic shortcut that twists and turns to connect distant points in the universe. But here's the catch. This intergalactic alley might only exist on paper, or maybe it's just around the corner, or perhaps it's behind you. Wait, what? Yeah, it's mind-bending stuff. To understand wormholes, we need to take a quick detour through black holes. You know those cosmic vacuum cleaners that gobble up anything that gets too close? Well, at the heart of many galaxies, including our own Milky Way, lies a supermassive black hole. These enigmatic giants are so dense that their gravity pulls everything towards them. Not just stars and gas, but even light cannot escape their grasp. Once something crosses the boundary of a black hole known as the event horizon, there's no turning back. It disappears forever into the unknown depths. Here's where things get interesting. If black holes have an event horizon, the boundary beyond which nothing can escape. Some astronomers wondered if there could be a boundary beyond which nothing could enter. And that's where the white hole comes in. It's like the opposite of a black hole. While a black hole sucks things in, a white hole ejects them out. However, unlike its shadowy counterpart, a white hole has never been observed. It remains purely theoretical, existing only in mathematical models and equations. But what if these two cosmic extremes, the black hole and the white hole, were somehow connected? What if there was a tunnel, a bridge between them? Enter the wormhole, also known as an Einstein-Rosen bridge. Imagine taking a piece of paper and punching two holes in it, then bringing the edges together. The result is a tunnel, a shortcut connecting the two holes. Now imagine that instead of on a piece of paper, this happens in space. A wormhole connects to distant points in the vast expanse of the universe, allowing you to travel from one end to the other much faster than if you were to take the long way around. It's like having a secret passageway between galaxies, a cosmic cheat code that lets you zip through the universe. But here's the catch. Just like the white hole, the wormhole exists mainly in theory. We have not found any direct evidence of them, but we can't rule them out either. One reason why wormholes are so elusive is that they are thought to be extremely unstable. They could pop in and out of existence so quickly that we would have no time to spot them. Like a shooting star briefly illuminating the night sky. However, the idea of wormholes has captured the imaginations of scientists and science fiction fans alike. Some researchers believe that wormholes could be stabilized using exotic matter with negative mass, allowing for interstellar or even intergalactic travel. Others think that wormholes might be connected to black holes, with the white hole at the other end acting as a gateway to another part of the universe. Maybe they're time machines too. But wait, there's more. Some astronomers even speculate that the mysterious fast radio bursts, or FRBs, that have been detected from distant galaxies could actually be signals coming through wormholes from civilizations beyond our own. Okay, that sounds pretty crazy, but hey, space is full of surprises. Now, before you start packing your bags for a wormhole adventure, let me drop a little truth bomb. Scientists generally agree that traveling through a wormhole would be dangerous, if not impossible, even if we could find one. The intense gravity near a black hole could crush a spaceship or its crew long before they reach the wormhole entrance. And the journey through the wormhole itself could be equally perilous, with the threat of deadly radiation and unpredictable forces. Plus, there's the risk of ending up in a completely different time or in a place where the laws of physics are just plain weird. So while the idea of wormholes is fascinating, let's keep our feet firmly on the ground, or at least on our planet, for now. Who knows what wonders and dangers lie in wait in the uncharted territories of the cosmos? But one thing's for sure, the universe never ceases to amaze. From the mind-boggling depths of black holes to the hypothetical portals of wormholes, the vast expanse of space continues to challenge our understanding of reality. Maybe someday we'll uncover the secrets of these cosmic mysteries. Until then, we can marvel at their wonder and let our imaginations run wild. So keep looking up and keep dreaming of the day when we can all take a wormhole adventure. Just do forget your spacesuit and a good book, because who knows how long we might be stuck in a wormhole.